Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, yeah, there's really no other way to put this other than, yeah, this thing turned out to be a total pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying that in regards to the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price is acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it was, if not lower. So just to kind of quickly, justify and, explain where my mind is at, let's go through the quick history of things. So at one point, the price was down around here, about low this channel, and then the price broke out and went from where that was to the high of today, way up there at, right around 380. I'm thinking we can all agree that was a really, really nice move. And next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the time frame of 1, 2 days, 2.5 days, I think we can all agree, all right, yeah, this all did happen in a pretty quick amount of time. The price goes back to where it started. Where did the price ultimately close today? Right down here. Where did this breakout all happen? I mean, it happened essentially right at this area. So sure, I guess you could argue, well, the price could still technically build an overall higher base, and okay, that's I can see that argument point. But just as kind of general practice, I think we can all agree that the price is literally right back to this portion of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to be going back to where they were. They're going to be making progress forward, and that's just kind of common sense, right? Price movements that are bullish make progress forward. They don't go back to where they all started. That's just a total contradiction. So yeah, after today's price movement, kind of a big buzzkill because things were looking pretty powerful after yesterday's movement, and then you had the big gap up today, and then from there it was just dump city. So yeah, as far as price action and summarizing, pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.